What are you doing?
Littering.
Go pick that up.
Why should I pick it up?
Because you shouldn't litter.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's just in a bush. Nobody's ever going to find it.
Yeah, but you should still pick it up and get it.
If you're being that bossy, I'll pick it up and I'll throw it somewhere else.
Nope, you have to go throw it in the garbage can.
Oh my, you're being that bossy?
Yes, because you have to throw it in the garbage can.
I thought the trees were the garbage cans.
No.
Seems like it.
There's one right there. Now throw it away.
Be a team and go green.
Be a team and go
Team and go green. Thanks for watching.